How to fix Android not detecting Wi-Fi network. Hey guys, welcome back. If your Android phone can't find a Wi-Fi network that others' device can see, here is how you can fix it. First thing you can do is toggle Wi-Fi and airplane mode. Swipe down on your notification and control panel. Turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on your airplane mode. Keep your airplane mode turned on for around 10 seconds and then disable it again. This will refresh your phone's wireless connections like quick reset. Then the second step you can do is restart your phone and router. For that, you can long press on your power button and restart your Android phone first. Tap on restart. If the network still doesn't show up, restart your Wi-Fi router as well. Then you can check your Wi-Fi frequency compatibility. Some Android phones don't support 5 GHz only networks, so if your router is set to 5 GHz, your phone won't see it. Enable 2.4 GHz or dual band mode to your router settings. Then you want to restart your network settings as well. Go to settings. Then from there, you want to go ahead and find general management. Tap on reset, go to mobile, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, and then tap on reset settings. Now, once that is done, you can disable battery saver or data saver mode, and you should be good to go. That's it for this video, guys. That's how you can fix an Android phone that's not deleting or detecting any Wi-Fi networks. If this was helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next